Hey folks, today we have a $60 director's cut Fright pack from Zobie Productions. $60 for the box, $10 shipping. We used a 10% off code we got from watching Franchise Kicks video for the same box. Not going to give you the code. You want to see it, gotta go watch this video. Link will be down below. See what we got. Gotta say, love the sticker. Alright.
Oh, Brenna. Okay. Pretty paper. And on top is the baby from Happy Death Day. And it comes with JSA certification.
What number is it?
CC 74784. It's pretty cool.
Nice.
I'll put it back in there. And it's actually a really good mask. Oh, what's that?
This is that Dracula coin.
Oh, that's cool. 1931.
Yeah, I really like this piece. That is cool to me. Can you sit it over there?
We have a signed print of the Blob. We got 313 out of 375. And it's got a card in the back. Zobie Artist Showcase. Sideshow Monkey. The Art of David Hartman. And then it has his Instagram and everything on there. Let's take this stuffing out. Oh, it's from 31. Oh man, his name escapes my brain.
Yeah, me too.
Fortunately, I have not seen that movie yet. Am a huge Rob Zombie fan, but
that is just really cool imagery regardless.
yes, it is. And it also has a JSA certification. And this plastic is very good, thick. I mean, thick plastic. It didn't come in no little case. It's really, really neat. And we have the Nun collectible pin. Actually, very, very, very cool. Has two, what do they call those?
Studs?
Yeah, studs or clasps. Our daughter's really going to love this. She loves pens, so it will go right on top of her other pens that she has. And what else do we have in this thing?
Thank you for your support.
Oh, and a sticker like that's on the top of the box. And then there's the cheat sheet.
Yep. Poncho Miller.
Okay.
Yeah, Rob Zombie's 31.
Ah, see? I was right. That's the cheat sheet for it. It tells you everything that you could have got. The mask, the pen, the little disc. I don't know what you want to call it, but
There's a coin. And
then the 2 different blobs. They also had a different version of the signature for 31. I can't say what it actually says, but it says Happy Halloween. We'll let you fill in the rest.
Should be easy enough to find.
Actually, I do know Clint got the upgrade for that. And he got it, and he'll actually show you in his video that it says what it says on there. But then you got the baby mask up here signed by Rob Mallow, and then the blob. So that was actually pretty cool.
Yeah. So there is Zobie Productions March 2019 box.
Is it worth it? Yes, because honestly, if you're a horror fan like I am, their horror boxes are worth it. Because everything that I've seen, even just this far, they're pretty good and high quality.
Let me see the mask.
Would I buy it again? Oh, most definitely. Especially if they come out with a theme that I like. Can be just about anything though, because not only am I a horror fan, I also love other movies. But this is really cool.
Yeah. On that note, thank you for watching. If you liked what you watched, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can be in the loop on our next video.
And don't forget to go to Franchise Kicks.
Links will be down below.
Yep. Have a good day.